Hi, I'm here in the test kitchen today with Selah. She's 9 years old, and we are testing oven mitts designed for kids. We decided to test oven mitts as opposed to pot holders because you really want the whole hand covered. We always recommend that a parent be standing by wearing their own oven mitts so that you can supervise to make sure that nobody gets burned. And first we started out by saying, like our grown-up oven mitt, would that work for kids? So why don't you try that on? How's it feel?
Way too big.
Way too big? Yeah, your hand is like lost in there. You can get it, but does that feel safe?
No, I feel like I'm gonna drop it.
Feel like you're gonna drop it? Yeah, that would not be good. So that's why we went and looked at ones that are scaled down for kids. Let's try some of these on. How about this guy?
Okay, this is way too small.
Way too small. Yeah, maybe for super tiny kids who are playing, but
It probably won't fit the size of someone who's like at the appropriate age for cooking.
totally agree. Too small,
Yeah.
right? Yeah, we found that too. Try this little guy with the polka dots.
Too small.
Too small. You want that?
Yeah, I can't get it like right here, so I'd like to pick it up.
Yeah, you can't like get your hand
Yeah.
around. It's like you have no thumb, right? We tried this one, made from neoprene, which is what they use for wetsuits.
It's really not flexible. I can't even pick it up.
And then pulling it off, not so much fun either. So this one was kind of, we don't like that one either. And this one, if you put that on, it comes up your arm a little bit, so this one gives you a little bit more protection than some of these other ones that are really short.
It fits really well. Yeah.
Feel like you have a good grip on it?
Yes.
And then how much fabric is there past your hands? Is it sticking out too much, or does it feel good?
It feels good.
This is our favorite for kids, and it's called the Sonoma Junior Chef Oven Mitt. It's $7.95 each. We recommend that you buy 2 of them so you have both hands covered.
Thanks for watching America's Test Kitchen. What'd you think?
Well, leave a comment and let us know which recipes you're excited to make, or you can just say hello.
You can find links to today's recipes and reviews in the video description.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
See you later.
I'll see you later.